Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Manually defringe photos in Lightroom Classic CC. Unlike automatic lens corrections, which are based on profiles of known camera lenses, manual lens corrections are changes you make based on the visual appearance of your photo. To apply defringing and correct chromatic aberrations manually, select the photo within the Develop module. Zoom in on the part of the photo that displays the chromatic aberrations. Expand the lens correction panel at the right side of the screen, and then click the word Manual at the top of the panel. The manual defringe tools are available in the middle section of this panel. The defringe tools in the panel include an eyedropper-shaped fringe color selector tool, 2 color hue sliders, and 2 amount sliders. You'll notice that the color sliders are labeled purple hue and green hue. If you want to remove red-green or blue-yellow color shifts in an image, you have to use the Remove Chromatic Aberration checkbox that appears on the Profile tab of the Lens Corrections panel. You can see the previous lesson for more information about applying automatic corrections to chromatic aberrations. To manually remove global purple and green fringes with the Fringe Color Selector tool, click the tool in the Lens Corrections panel. While the tool is active, you can press and hold down the spacebar key to pan and zoom into the fringe area. After you release the spacebar, the Fringe Color Selector becomes active again. As you move the tool over the photo, the end of the eyedropper turns purple or green whenever you hover over an area of the photo within the purple or green hue ranges. Click Purple and Green Fringe Colors within the photo. The sliders in the Lens Corrections panel adjust for the color you pick. If you click a color outside the purple or green ranges, Lightroom displays an error message. Next, adjust the purple or green amount sliders as needed. The higher the amount, the more color defringing is applied. To adjust the hue range affected by the amount sliders, use the purple hue slider and/or the green hue slider by dragging either endpoint to set the range of affected colors. Note that the hue range must have at least 10 units of space between the endpoints. Also, avoid applying adjustments that affect purple or green objects in the photo. By default, the spacing for the green sliders is intentionally narrow to protect greenish-yellow hues that often appear in photos containing foliage. It's also possible to protect the edges of purple and green objects by using the local adjustment brush instead. You'll learn more about applying local adjustments in a future lesson. When finished, click the Done button in the toolbar to exit the manual defringe mode.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.